Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I am gonna show you how to install Docker and Docker Compose into the AWS EC2 instance, and we will use Ubuntu operating system. Click on EC2. You can also search from here EC2 instance and click on EC2 instance, and now click on launch instance and select Ubuntu image, and if you want to use free trial, then you can click free trial. We are using latest version of latest LTS version. Okay, now click on now create a new key pair from here, and you can use here any name called docker, and make it a .pm file and create key pair. Okay, now you can save here into the download directory. Click save. Sorry, we will save into the download directory, and now click on the launch instance. Okay, our instance successfully initiated. Click on instance here, and now click on this one, and now let's try to connect. We can use Ubuntu AWS console, but we will use SSH client. Now just copy this command and open your terminal. You can find terminal on Ubuntu from here, like you can search terminal. I make it favorite here, so run terminal and go to the download directory, cd download, and click. You can see we have docker pim file. Now we will paste the command and make it executable. Change the permission, and now we just copy this command and click here and enter. Now type yes. Okay, our instance is connecting our terminal. Okay, now we will use sudo apt update. Let's wait until it's update. Okay, now open this. To install Docker, I make a this is the easy way to install Docker from Docker script. Copy this line and paste it here. We can upgrade the packages. You can see 79 packages can be upgraded. You can run sudo apt upgrade to upgrade the system packages. Now we are just type this. You can see a new SSH new .sh script is downloaded. Okay, now update the make it executable. Okay, sh if it's get permission issue. Okay, let's wait until it's download. Okay, our Docker is installed, done. You can check the docker -v, the latest version of download or in our system. we can check. Now our Docker Compose is not installed. So first of all, we want to change the permission. Let's remove this dot get says. Okay, and now you can update the user permission for Docker. So the current user Ubuntu can access Docker, then can execute Docker files. Okay, now new grp command. Okay. Okay, copy this and this lines and paste it into the Docker daemon. So when sometime Docker log came bigger, so we can provide some logic, so the logs file cannot be go up and our system file cannot be crashed. Okay, then now add and try to restart the Docker service. Sudo systemctl restart docker.service. Okay, now install Docker Compose. Copy this command to get the version. Okay, it's stored the latest version of Docker Compose, and now copy this command to install the exact version. Okay, sorry, let me we are getting permission issue. Now just type sudo before the command. Sudo. Now you can see the this file is downloaded into the here. You can check ls and you see the file is here. Now copy the next command to execute permission. Type sudo and enter the command line. It's executable. Now we can check the Docker version. You can see the Docker version is installed. We can also check from GitHub. Docker Compose. Docker Compose. You can see the latest version is what 2.24.6. Okay, our Docker and Docker Compose installation done. In the next video, I am show you how you can write a Docker file to run your Nest.js API using Docker. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and share so I can be motivated. If my sound is my voice is bad, please forgive me for this. I will try to make my voice more clear in the future. Thank you for watching this video.